Alright guys, I greet you. Welcome to No Beginner Trader channel. Today we'll be talking about a little bit of fundamental, how to use Forex Factory, to check your fundamental needs and all that. It's pretty simple though, but let's just take some few minutes, to go through it and see how we can make use of the Forex Factory, the news that we will pay attention to and the ones that don't really matter. So let's just dive into the video. So if you go to your Chrome browser, to your browser, any browser at all that you are using, me, I'm using Chrome browser. So if you come to your Chrome browser, I'll just type Forex Forex Factory. You can see it here. This is it, forexfactory.com. It will bring you to uh, this website. Uh, so this is the website. Then you can filter this website by clicking this place, this filter here, then taking out the unimportant ones, you know, apply filter. Doing this, it will leave you with just the important news. Pay attention to the red folder news, the ones with this red tick and this yellow tick, this dark yellow. If you look at this place, that if you go to the filter, you will see that there's this brown, just let's call it brown, and this yellow color. These two news, they can't move the market, but these two, even this brown news, don't really move news like that. It doesn't push news like that. But anyway, you see red folder news, that is where you pay attention to. Okay, so let's go to the news. So looking at it here, you can see the red folder news, all of them. Then if you come to this side, you will see actual, forecast and previous. We focus on this actual news, this and the previous one. you know so if the news is released, let's say we have news by 1:30, and by 1:30 we have they release the news, and the news come out with this red color, this red number here. It means that that currency is weak on that news. But if the news come out to be green with green numbers, it means that that currency is strong, understand, on that news. But if it come out with black, this black number here, it means neutral, as in equal. Understand? It just means that that currency is soft. You know. So that is how we read the news. Now, where is this GBP? This GBP USD news was released today by 9:30. Okay, 9:30. These two news, if you look at it, both of them come out red, which means at the point of releasing this news by 9:30, GBP USD will go bearish. Understand? Any pair that is tied with GBP, if it's like GBP JPY, will go bearish. Let's say the AUD GBP will go bullish. Any currency that is tied with GBP, if GBP is the first currency, it will go bearish. If GBP is the second currency, it will go bullish. That's how it works. Now let's go to GBP USD and check what happened at that time by 9:30 a.m. this morning. Let me add the GBP USD. So let's use this one. So where is it? Okay. So let's go to 30, let's go to 50 minutes and locate, let's locate 9:30, 9:30. This is 9:30 candle. See this bullish candle here? This is 9:30 candle. So this is the news. And because the GBP come out weaker, the news was negative on GBP. That is why USD gathered the strength to push this market down to this place before it starts pushing up. You see? So that is how it works. That is the simple way to make use of Forex factory. So what do you do? Whenever you come to your chart, all you need to do is put this website to your browser, pin it just like I did here. If you look, you will see that the website is pinned. So when I wake up every morning, even on Saturday, on Sunday, after analyzing my weekend trade, I come to this Forex factor and check the news from Monday to Friday, see the days that will have high impact news. By doing so, then I will have it in mind that so day we have so high impact news. So I will know how to trade. Sometimes I could hold my trade during the news, but before I hold my trade during the news, I will make sure that it's not that is not a news that will be so much volatile, because sometimes there are news that are very volatile that even stop loss and TP cannot hold them. Even if you break even, you will still lose money. I will make sure that it's not that type of news. Then I can break even and then watch the market and see what happens. Sometimes I just close my trade. Sometimes if there is news, I don't get into trade at all until the news is released. Then I will know my next step to take and where to trade to. You know. So that will be it on this video. I just wanted to show you guys how you can make use of your Forex factory to follow your fundamental news. And then again, whenever there is news, you can also read about those news here. If you look at this place, you will see that all these things here are news that you can also read to keep yourself updated on the market. Apart from waiting for the news to be released, you can also read about what is happening on every currency on this website, just like they are written here. If you come down to this place, you will see all these things are people discussion about news, you see. So that is it. I will be ending this video here. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.